So hello everyone, here's Bezaleel Bhatti and a topic which I choose for this video is importance of education. Education is an important part of human life. Education gives meaning to our lives as it enables the growth and development of our mind and intellect. An educated society is an enlightened and empowered one, such as society can make well-informed choices in its social, political, and economic welfares. Education, therefore, ensures social justice, economic strength, and political freedom. In the absence of education, society remains backward. Education must be given top priority by every country. All children and youth of a country must have access to education through universal access to education. Society can make progress swiftly and peacefully. Thank you.